Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious mango vinaigrette dressing using an easy method. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 ripe mango, about 1/4 cup of good quality olive oil, and 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. For a touch of sweetness, have 1 tablespoon of honey or maple syrup ready. Don't forget a squeeze of fresh lime juice and a small pinch of salt to balance the flavors perfectly. Now that we have our ingredients, let's prepare the star of our dressing, the mango. Choose a mango that is perfectly ripe, feeling slightly soft to the touch. Carefully peel the skin away, then dice the flesh into small pieces, making sure to remove the large central pit. Smaller pieces will help ensure a smoother blend, giving you that silky texture we are aiming for in our vinaigrette. With your mango prepped, it's time to bring everything together. Carefully transfer all your ingredients, the diced mango, olive oil, apple cider vinegar, sweetener, lime juice, and salt, into a high-speed blender or food processor. Blend on high until the mixture is completely smooth and creamy, with no chunks remaining. If the dressing seems too thick, add 1 or 2 tablespoons of water, blending again until you reach your desired pourable consistency. Congratulations! You've just made a fantastic homemade mango vinaigrette. Now, carefully pour your beautiful, golden dressing into an airtight container or a clean jar. Store it in the refrigerator to keep it fresh. This delightful dressing is perfect for drizzling over your favorite green salads, enhancing grilled chicken, or even complementing a piece of flaky fish. It will stay fresh and delicious for up to 5 days, ready to brighten any meal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.